Hi, now I'm going to show you how to use the function median in Excel. Let's go to Excel. Okay, we have 4 employees and their salaries, respective salaries. We are going to calculate what is the median salary, okay, in Excel. Okay, now what you are going to do is median okay, salary, okay, now equal to, since it's a formula, you put equal to sign, then use the function median, then use this, select all the salaries and close the bracket, median, which is 6091. okay, this the median salary. The median salary is same as mean salary, the average salary. Let's see, just do a small thing. What is the average? Average okay, average salary okay, I calculate here the average salary. You know our previous video, what is the average function? Oh, that is not because the average salary is 6,997. It's closer to 7,000, whereas the median salary is 6,091. Usually people use the median to calculate the salary because average salary is affected by extreme values, but a median salary is not affected by extreme values. We can do that experiment also if you want to. I just make this one to 20,000. See, average salary keep changing, but median salary remains the same. If this extreme is, see, of course average salary is not 58,000 because only one person has a big salary. Average salaries keep changing, but the median salary is the reasonable salary. Okay, this way we can, this is a small experiment, it's nothing to do with this video. Okay, median salary is calculated using a median function. Okay, hope this video is useful. See you on next video. Bye.